What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and we have a handful of things to do today. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so for Stephanie's car, we have a throttle-body spacer by SR Performance. That's still hot. So we're gonna get that on, and we're gonna tell you, not really show y'all how to do it, but we're just gonna do it. And then with my brother's truck, the F-150, the F-150, F1 Pretty, whatever, the twin turbo, we have a Whipple air intake that we're currently in the process of getting to right now. So we'll be back and forth between the two, and we'll
these, right? The whole thing comes up.
Yeah, it'd be better to take this off though. There you go. All right, so take this off, loosen that up. I think all these are 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters.
Nice. I like the vortex spin. You're gonna use the new ones on there? No?
Yeah, these are longer.
How long you got one that's...
I'm gonna have to edit a lot of this out.
Hey, you recording?
Yes, I've been recording. Oh man, I'm on a sketchy little...
Nothing bad about the Army in case you'll try to...
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? I didn't turn that on.
How did you not break it?
I'm honestly don't know. I'm honestly don't know. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look, baby turbos. You know what? I'm gonna just hand off the camera.
Okay. Why?
Yeah, I'm just cut this part till I get the screw back here.
Who taught you how to drive a stick shift?
My dad. My dad partially taught me, and then I had to teach myself.
Well, you're gonna have to teach me too. I saw a cool little Jimmy truck for about $1,000. Those are gangster, man.
Anyways, back over with me. Still having trouble on the screw. Whoa, that's way too close. Still having trouble on the screw. Thank you, Ford, for putting everything an inch away from everything else. And I'm trying to do it with this tiny little screwdriver here, so you can obviously tell how easy it's going for me. I think you can turn this or something? I don't know. I really don't know.
Can't you just take this off?
No, because this thing is real tight.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was gonna say you undo that.
That one you can take off. It'll probably help me out, actually. I tested it so I can get to the thing better.
What size is it?
All right, so it's a 10 millimeter for the throttle body on the Mustang over there, 4 liter, and I still cannot figure out how to. Grandma!
Well, my grandma's mad at me, guys. She says I always mess my truck up. I love you. Yes. Get it?
Yeah.
You don't have to take it out very far. And get a rag and clean all that up. Yeah, so this is what you want to see. There's a lot of oil. Look at that. Yeah. So what'll help you not get oil if you buy a catch can, eliminate all that oil from going into your air intake or your throttle body.
My guess is it only goes one way, so...
Yeah, the metal to metal side is what gets the gasket. Or, right?
That doesn't make sense.
No, it did make sense.
This way?
That's why your car doesn't work.
Oh,
I'm
thanks.
just kidding.
Slap it in there.
Which way does it go? Righty, tighty, lefty?
Yep. That's not all of them.
Oh, there it is.
There you go. Okay, I got the math off, and I'm gonna try to not break his truck. There we go. Okay. So this is the part that you really want to keep clean as much as possible. So if anything, put it inside, put it in the truck. I'm gonna put it in the truck.
You broke it.
Okay, I broke it, so.
Yeah, look at us.
You get the gist over there with the Mustang. Take out the 4 throttle body bolts, put in the longer ones, put in the spacer. Oh, we got to put it back in. So, where's your filter at? No, you leave this in there. Yes, you do. Because this only goes on top of this thing. See how it's got these locking pins? Yeah, so just like that. The filter goes in here, and take there, get downpipe there. So that's the first thing we want. Is this your filter? Yeah. So this is our filter here. What you want to do, take that clamp off.
What about all this?
All that's for like later. That's for like that pipe. Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
That took like 2 minutes.
Eh.
Well, we had everything.
Yeah, so connect everything back up if you connected it. Make sure everything's tight. Yeah, that's connected. Everything's connected, so what you want to do is just turn it on. Cool deal. So yeah, you get a better throttle response. You increase, and I'm getting this from American Muscle from the video that I watched. You increase the volume of your, you increase the volume, increase the air, more air, more power, bigger combustion, so on and so forth. And it looks really nice. So yeah.
Agua con las patrullas. Agua con las patrullas. Vamos a quebrar.
Ooh, poor truck.
It took us 35 minutes to do this in real time. Mexicans.
Mexicans.
The Mo.
There you go. Don't connect your sensor yet.
No.
Okay. I'll spin that to where you can reach it next time. Okay, yeah, this is just right. This is all we're changing out. And that's there.
Oh, that's done.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's if we're changing out the downpipe, but we're not doing that. Okay, we don't need this. I was like, what is that for?
Save it for whenever I change it in.
When you do the downpipe?
I don't even know if I'm seated in or...
Yeah, you are. No, not yet. It's gonna be like, that's what we're gonna hear. The turbos. So the installation was somewhat easy. We did have 3 hands, and my grandpa, all of us together, we got it in, I think about less than an hour. The Mustang, Stephanie's Throttle-body Spacer, we got that in about like 5 minutes, so it shouldn't take you too long on that one. So yeah, that's gonna help a lot. It's gonna give you quite a bit of power. Don't forget to put this sticker on. It's just, you know, just put it on. I don't think I need to explain this to you, but just put it on. All right.
Then you can start your next thing. Geography.